Okay guys, so now the next step we're going to do right here, I want to get the wheels back on this before I start working on the locking hubs right here. So when I went to go put on my wheels originally, they were originally put on with washers and lock washers is how they came on the truck. That is clearly not right. Originally I was just going to use these to just get it rolling around while I wait to get new tires and rims and stuff like that, but I tried putting them back on, and it was actually, even with these spacing it out, it was rubbing on the caliper right here and a little bit on this piece right here. So we're just going to change them out and get this done with right here. So let's get to it. All right, man, this is looking so much better, guys. Now I'm not going to be tightening these down with this. I'm just kind of snugging them up, getting them cinched down, and I'll torque them down with the torque wrench. Okay, so now the torque spec for these is going to be 90 to 110 foot-pounds. I'm just going to go about 100 on these right here, so I'll get these torqued on down here. Okay guys, so I'd say the rims look a lot better on here. They also actually work. They clear the calipers and the rotors and everything, no problem, so that's good. If you guys are curious, the rims are some Pro Comp rims. They're 15 by 8s. I'll include a link in the description below if you guys are interested in those. And then the tires are Cooper tires, and they are 31 by 10.5 by 15. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.